As you enter, you can see a nice living area. It's a nice spacious kitchen area. Wow, this is brilliant. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Vidya, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project by SNN Estate, and the project is called Felicity, which is located at the Jakur Hebal Road. And for a divulge more details about the project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's largest real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the project at bottom rate price. Housey also saves you the hassle of receiving numerous calls from brokers. Thus, you can save your time by registering with us at Housey. And since Housey directly connects you with the developer, you can avail the project directly from the developer by registering with us at Housey. Felicity by SNN Estates is spread across a land parcel of 6.2 acres. It consists of 9 towers. Towers from 1 to 6 and 9 have 13 floors, and towers 7 and 8 have 8 floors. And the best part about this is it's spread across such a large area, and as you can see here, this is a little quick view of the property. Here, the apartments, you have different variants. You have 1.5 BHK, you have 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK standard and large, and 4 BHK standard and large. So Felicity by SNN Estates has a very good connectivity. The Manyata Tech Park, which is a very popular tech park here in Bangalore, is located close to 1.5 kilometers from this property. You have the Tanisandra metro station, which is about 3 kilometers from the property. You have several healthcare institutes, education institutions, all at a very close proximity from this location. Now I'll take you through the amenities. This place has several amenities, close to 40 plus amenities. As you can see, you have the Miyawaki mini forest, you have a gymnasium, badminton courts, you have steam and sauna rooms, pet park, water fountain features, kids pool, swimming pool, mini football court, basketball court, games area, cricket practice net. Place has so many properties, I'm sure your family will love it. So today we are at the 3 BHK large apartment sample flat by Felicity by SNN Estates. Come, let's take a look at this place. So as you enter, you have a nice foyer area. Pretty, it's nicely done up. I really love the interiors of the place, and I'm excited to show you more. As you enter, you can see a nice living area here with a nice large screen TV. It's a nice view. The interiors is quite unique and nicely done up. You can have your decoratives in the wall here. As you can see, there's nice lightings. It's quite good. I like how they've utilized the space quite well. We have the dining area here. It's lovely, right? And this opens up to a nice balcony outside. It's a nice spacious balcony with a nice view, full of greenery, calm, lot of shade. Lovely. You can host your little tea parties here. And now I'll take you to the first bedroom. Before that, we can utilize this space here also, the dining area space, for you to, have some additional shelves, maybe a bookshelf, or add some decorative pieces. Before we enter the first room, which can be your guest room, here we have a common bathroom or toilet area. It's quite spacious, well ventilated and well lit. Now we will enter the next room, which is your guest bedroom. This also has nice French windows, good enough space to accommodate a queen size bed, Nice view of the greenery outside. And right behind you have a nice wardrobe space. You can utilize this wardrobe space, and you can utilize even that space right ahead here as your dressing area. And you have a nice little tucked in cupboard here. You can decorate it. Interesting, right? I like how this place feels so positive and pleasant and nice. Now we go to the cute part, and that's the kids' bedroom. As you enter the kids' bedroom, as you can see here, they have a nice study area for the kids, enough space to accommodate the bookshelves, enough space to accommodate a nice queen size bed, and the cute part is this little seating area here with a nice view outside for the kids to play. A very positive vibe, very well lit place. I like how they've done up this little area as a play area for the kids. If you have a older child, you can use this place as a bookshelf or have an additional wardrobe or toys shelf set up here. Here we have enough space, ample space to accommodate their clothes and toys. I love the place, it's so pleasant and nice. And now, the kids' room, we also have a nice spacious shower area, bathroom with vitrified tiles. Now we are going to show you the master bedroom of the Felicity SNN Estates project. Before that, let me tell you what Housey can do for you. Housey can give you an actual tour of the location. Housey can give you a tour of the sample flat. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of the project. Housey will explain to you about the pricing options, the down payment options. And we, our team at Housey, will give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. I'm sure these are exciting enough, right? Now, come, let's have a look at the master bedroom. Oh my God, wow. This is brilliant. I love how they've done up this place so aesthetically. This accommodates a nice queen size bed. As you can see here, it has an extended balcony here. It's lovely with a nice view outside. It's so calm, pleasant. Interiors are quite interesting, right? Then you have enough space for like 2 study tables here and a massive wardrobe area with a nice built-in TV area here. There's a lot of storage space, as you can see, and this wardrobe, as you can see, has enough depth here. I really like this place. Come, let's have a look at the balcony outside. It's a nice spacious balcony to have some quiet time. You can enjoy your evening tea here. This is like a mini room on its own, isn't it? Now let's go back to the master bedroom. I really like how this place feels so cozy and nice. And we have an attached bathroom here with a nice well-lit, ventilated shower area. It's a nice well-lit bathroom. There's plenty of natural light coming in here. Let's now move to the kitchen area. It's a nice spacious kitchen area. I like how the interiors are done again. It's beautifully, very aesthetically done. Enough of storage space on the top here. Large storage space that extends up to the ceiling. And enough storage space here at the bottom as well. And it has a nice utility room that it extends to. Easily you can accommodate So you can see here, it's nicely done. You can accommodate a dishwasher, you can accommodate a washing machine here, and it's so well lit and bright. You have an additional space here for your refrigerator, or you can also use this space to accommodate your kitchen utensils, crockery, etc. If you've loved this property, don't wait any longer and book your free site visit by registering with us at Housey. And you can also click in the link below and get an e-brochure or download an e-brochure with all the details about the project. And if you like this video and want to see more such videos of such lovely properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
So hello everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project SNN Felicity, located in Jakor by SNN Estates.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.